History went down on September 5th, 1977. Voyager 1, a spacecraft, was launched to space to never return to our planet ever again. Loaded with many records, instruments, and messages from Earth, it was originally sent out to collect data about Jupiter and Saturn. When it made a pass-by on these planets, scientists discovered many things about them. For example, we discovered active volcanoes on the surface of one of Jupiter's moons. But 36 years after the spacecraft was originally launched, it has recently reached interstellar space. Interstellar space is the area between two stars. This area has bits of other dead stars floating around. With only one instrument working on this lone survivor, it was able to pick up the plasma levels emitted by the nearby star, aka our sun. When those plasma levels are low, it concludes that the Voyager had left the solar bubble. This means it has reached interstellar space. With a spacecraft that far away from Earth, wouldn't you think they would prepare for other life forms to find it? Wait, wouldn't they? I don't know, wouldn't they? Cut. It is true what they say, Google does have all the answers. As I found out, they put a golden disc on the Voyager. You know, one of those record-playing discs that you need one of those needles, scratchy things? Yeah, those ones. Well, on this disc, there were many aspects to it. One of the most famous aspects of this disc is the many confusing symbols printed onto it. Every symbol on the disc had to be universal, including the instructions of how to use the record. If decoded right, the first thing that should appear on the record is a circle. Following the circle would be 115 sounds from everyday life on the planet Earth. Then it would have greetings in over 65 languages. It had messages recorded from President Carter and UN Secretary General Weldon. Voyager was basically a time capsule from the year 1977. What about the planets that Voyager missed? What about all of the other ones? Wait, what am I reading here? Wait, give me a second. What? There's a second Voyager? Okay, wait. Let me Google some things about that first. Second Voyager, my gosh, how many Voyagers are there? So after doing a little bit of research on Voyager 2, the first thing I'm going to throw at you is that the Voyager was launched 16 days before Voyager 1, because it makes total sense. The Voyager 2 is the only spacecraft to study all 4 of the giant planets in the solar system up close. That includes Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. It is now exploring the outermost reaches of where the solar wind and sun's magnetic fields dominate space. The Voyager 2 was the only spacecraft to visit Uranus and Neptune. It only flew 5,000 kilometers over Neptune's cloud tops. The Voyager 2 helped discover things about Uranus and gave evidence of an ocean boiling water about 800 kilometers below the cloud's top. And with Neptune, it discovered 5 moons, 4 rings, and a great dark spot that vanished by the time the Hubble telescope imaged Neptune 5 years later. Voyager 1 and 2 were designed to take advantage of the rare planetary alignment to explore the outer solar system. Voyager 2 targeted Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Like its sister spacecraft, Voyager 2 also was designed to study the edge of the solar system beyond the planets. These twin spacecrafts unlocked the hidden information behind all 4 giant planets beyond the asteroid belt, and even hinted of details about interstellar space.